So here we are at the Western River Refuge, 2 years on from the 2019-2020 bushfires that came through here on the 20th of December 2019. As you can see, regeneration is occurring within this area, which is great, providing extra habitat for the threatened species that live within here. Our recent fauna surveys in here, where we were studying sites within the Western River Refuge exclusion fence and on the outside of the fence, showed that we had almost double the species diversity within the feral cat exclusion fence as opposed to the outside. And then we also found that we were catching 25% more animals within the feral cat exclusion fence than the outside. While it is still really early days, we can probably be assuming that the feral cat removal is having a pretty positive impact on the species within here that we're trying to protect. Really encouragingly, we've now seen, in the last year in particular, we've seen the Kangaroo Island Dundarts spread out throughout the entire Western River Refuge exclusion fence. Also, species like the western pygmy possum and the native bush rat are also now found throughout larger areas of the Western River Refuge, and not just relying on the critical unburnt habitat. And another species that we're really proud to protect here is the endangered southern brown bandicoot. That species, Kangaroo Island, is the stronghold for that species in southern Australia, and it is in the critical weight range of Australian mammals where feral cats are preferentially hunting. So to have a population here where they're completely free from feral cat predation is really encouraging. So 2 years on, I think this project is going better than we could have ever imagined, and it's going to be really exciting to track the trajectory of the threatened species within and outside the exclusion fence in the next 5 to 10 years. I have to thank everyone who's been involved, who's worked tirelessly to get it to the point where it is now.